Hi, this is your boy Mozaru again. The last video, they commented on some challenge and there's a video about why and as a member they manipulate ladies and they send them into a vulnerable situations. I be correct say mental illness, but or relationship when you have to be very careful. Your decisions be why, so you're very careful. Today, I'm talking about why is it that you don't have peace in your home, in your relationship? I don't know only peace. Why your relationship now? I'm on for your relationship. What the young one you see and I be the garden. Why you try your best, especially man or bro. Only say, oh, I get the right things to be a man and so. Stay tuned. I'll come right now. Yes, sure. Of a relationship, and I'm going to no quite relationship or some penetration will be and quite way. So it's not just a mere thing as we see. One thing of a relationship, I pay attention. We have forgotten say we are from diverse backgrounds. See, Oba no free ho, and I'm assuming free. Nanelugu, and Yabishia. Nanelugu for saying a society different from whole for the. Na ye so na pa ye ebia da tun bi si ho ye krum ka se fen fufun kusa ye da tun bi si ho a wudi na no pa ne ade na ko ni na enye sanity se na ebia ye mfa so bi wo bono anopa odi ni fufuo bayire fufuo otachima fo no anopa bayire fufuo ne ya friends e makonkwan ne adwene bi akom. So no we see then a different from Obia or Fiacra or Didocono and in Chenamanopa. Zeno Yeshia near Fisaniama will cry. So let's come back to normal. So your friends of a relationship, your DB friend say individual difference. Individual difference and say what's an asoka crabby pet. Now we say we have to go muka crabia. Forget it. Now relationship no be shall see individual difference. So we open the team 10 we open the 80. So open say on so need the 80 at is all there now. It's communication. The point number 2. First one here individual difference. Now number 2 here communication. Communication woman barrier bem kitua people and successful for when your feedback and communication be also the entire all communicate as a open feedback when your feedback the 10 or crank it and how when you ne yano baba fee and me they are when tennis me country be a me and my create. It will bring a lot of controversies near the Wofi and Tawantawa can see it in Mississippi because of say you are not respecting individual difference and communication. So at truncate. If there is no communication, there will be no feedback, and you have all expectations you will not get it. So always there will be fight here and there. So I'll plead with you. So, relationship, first thing you need to know is individual difference. Make sure say wow, I read 100 years grana. Make sure say individual difference. On you fear, on respect here. Make sure you start respecting it right now. You're going to have very high peace in your home, and as well as high communications. Let me come deep into the communication. Over communication, and yes, if you are moving common dabi, oba okoya dia. Making sure so be involved in every process. And a bear must okoya dia. Making sure say process no be involving in everything. Yes, ebia bear my air kotoka or kotoka no na or hide information be about car no. I feel later na obana kwaku or who I didn't talk about because okachre na anka emfa problem be amba. And I say oba okoto mi IoT okajen so mi we crowd and nebo nya den. Later, no, the man who says it's $1,000 na a good me to see. Abraham is so common than that's the communication for. The third one I made to also respect. General respect. So communication, individual difference, general respect. So if you don't respect each other, we respect each other and ultimately respect individual difference. We respect each other and we communicate well so that everybody better in a relationship. No? But if you don't do all those stuff, forget about it. There are going to be controversies. They be because of say you don't respect each other. If you respect each other, you feel it. Oh, I feel say, oh, I say you have empathy for the person. But if you don't respect the person, you don't care about it. So today, just subscribe to the channel. Make sure say you click on the notification bell. That things are free. Just do it. Support the channel, support the channel so that you get notified if we post any videos like this. We do a lot of videos about psychology, a lot of videos about relationship, as well as business. We're a business person, we're entrepreneur. You want to follow the journey and also making in life. Just follow us. Follow Motivational Ghana online platform there, so TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, the only be Motivational Ghana. Just type Motivational Ghana. Just follow the journey. We entrepreneur, as well as a video about exploring. They don't explore places are only. There's a lot of videos I will release the so make sure you subscribe, share to your friends. Sharing is caring. What do be a video be say now when you share man or no so that on also be building a home. It's not about you alone. We're not for Montana say you bring a movie video. No say more mistakes getting be a more ama no fear ain't means another. Sanya mommy and Sam because if you try practicing it, that's individual difference, respecting, communication, and as well as say more respecting each other very well. Mom relationship now conquer. So make sure that you give a thumbs up to this video if you like it, and make sure you subscribe. Click the notification bell to webinar. Say no me so squeeze say what else. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.